hatred, lunatic aficionados. Hello again. Please share and subscribe again for today's classic coin. First, I'd want to share some information with you that I think you'll find very intriguing. As of right now, the market chart shows that it is continuing to drop. The price of Ethereum seems to be holding steady around $1,500, while Bitcoin is currently trading at about $23,500 and aiming to recover to the $24,000 level. It has restarted, and we can only hope that it continues to rebuild and rises to $25,000 like it did in 1702. As the weekly bar graph shows, we have been waiting for it for quite some time. We rose and we're rising, and the same will be true in a month or two. A watered-down version of a classic commercial managed to get a brief spike on the day chart, but it has since fallen back down and is still consolidating, so we're waiting for another pump. Nonetheless, even in a poor chart, it's up 18%, and on the monster, it's up 82%. Now is a perfect time for a classic to emerge. How about the news for today? Most cryptocurrency trading is conducted by turtle and elite investors who are betting on rising values. Altcoins, along with two coins linked to their recent market catastrophe, are seeing growth as the cryptocurrency market climate shifts away from pessimism and a worldwide market value reclaims the 1 trillion milestone. Indeed, Terra, also known as a territory at zero, and the platform's gold chain, Terra Glacier, are gaining enormous attention among crypto traders, having gained 6.61% and 182.89% respectively on the day. CoinMarketCap statistics highlights Terra Luna's popularity by revealing that the platform's most sought-after service is communication. As of the 18th of July, the Linea Classic is ranked third among all folded cryptocurrencies. As a result of this investment in Web3 infrastructure, Polygon has become the company with the second highest rate of trade buyouts, after being accepted into Disney's 2022 Accelerator program. We began working on a new project with the Walt Disney Company. The asset's value has increased by 150% over the past 30 days, likely in response to the increased interest generated by the Disney deal. Investors may still believe that a Luna into a classic has a chance to flourish in the cryptocurrency market as long as interest in its environment remains high, despite an algorithmic stablecoin becoming a dollar impact, which brought the Terra ecosystem to its knees. It's interesting to see both assets decline into last week. They have experienced an increase, however, when the mood in the cryptocurrency market begins to change, which may indicate that crypto traders perceive them as a profitable investment possibility. Due to the shift in sentiment on the market, given the interest, it's fair to assume that those considering a two-asset play are gambling on the idea that a chat could turn into a viral sensation, begin poorly for currencies close to the zero mark. However, it is essential to be aware that the target ecosystem's recovery has gotten off to a shaky start. Luna Classic is one of the outlier situations with very volatile prices, and at least believe that its lack of clear intrinsic value is one of the factors contributing to its volatility. And it is also worth mentioning that interest is in the field, as was alluded to in the previous paragraph about the Zero having a significant price correction within an hour after its launch. Many organizations took notice of the chit-chat, including the Financial Services Commission of South Korea, which issued a warning to its constituents advising them against investing in the Luna. Meanwhile, numerous governments have implemented rules to restrict areas as a result of the renewed discussion that the fall of Terra sparked. In addition, South Korea has established the world's first digital asset committee, which will be responsible for building legal framework, coordinating industry efforts, and regulating the cryptocurrency industry and its operations. That wraps up today's coverage of the Tidal Classic. Don't forget to resubscribe if you're interested in receiving additional information. If you like the article, please share it and leave a comment. That being said, I shall urinate on your next appearance.